Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the 2018. Now you can see this is a 13-inch and the processor is Intel Core i7 and RAM is 16 gigabytes. You can see the display is 13-inch and the storage is 1 terabyte. And let me show you the battery cycle count 2,335. Too many times. Yes, this battery need to replace them. Okay, and let me show you the keyboard. You can see 7 years ago this MacBook. Now the previous owner used it. The keyboard and need to change it. Okay, you can see the touch bar. You can see the display is okay. The touch bar. Okay, no scratches and the trackpad. The trackpad function also is normal, no problem. The touch bar. Okay, no problem. And let me show you logo surface. Okay, you can see this is a stick mark. You can see different color here and here. Dark color here is brighter. Okay, the scratch. Yes, i7 16 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 2018. So many scratches here. You can see the port. So many scratches. Okay, a lot of scratches. You can see so many scratches. Okay, but the function is normal. And let me show you the display. The display also has a problem. Now you can see I changed the gray color. Okay, now you can see this color. This 7 years ago. This color. This display too old. Okay. Let me change the other color. Okay. Now you can see it. The screen too old. So this price about 1,600 US dollars. Not US dollars. 1,600 CNY. 1,600 CNY. Okay. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay. This is not beautiful. The screen and the scratch and the sticker. Also, so many scratches here. Not a beautiful machine. So the price is 1,600. Okay. See you in the next video.